question. So we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. So let us understand the basics. Okay. So x bar n differentiation is n into x bar n minus 1, and one more thing is root of anything you have. If you want to differentiate this, you can write it as 1 divided by 2 root of anything, and this anything also to be differentiated. Okay, so let us consider here the function y is equal to root of a square minus x square divided by root of a square plus x square. So let us consider the numerator as u, the denominator part as v. Okay, so now you know that u by v differentiation is u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square. Okay, and now what is u dash differentiation? U dash differentiation is, so it's under the root, right? So I can write as 1 divided by 2 root of that anything is a square minus x square, and see here this is minus x square, so the differentiation of that would be minus 2x. So you would get minus x divided by root of a square minus x square. Similarly, what is v dash? Again, it is 1 divided by 2 root of a square plus x square. Now this x square differentiation is 2x. So you get plus x divided by root of a square plus x square. Now simply you have to substitute now in this u by v differentiation. Okay, so u dash becomes minus x divided by root over a square minus x square into v is nothing but root of a square plus x square. Okay, then you have minus over here. Then what is v dash differentiation? X divided by root over a square plus x square into u is nothing but root of a square minus x square. Now if you square v, so what do you get for v square? You get a square plus x square. The square root will go, right? Now you have to take LCM. Which is, if you take LCM, these two will get multiplied. So you get minus x into a square plus x square. Root will get cancelled. Again minus x into a square minus x square divided by, you have a square minus x square root into root of a square plus x square, and you know this also will come to the denominator part, so you get multiplied by a square plus x square. So this is dy by dx. Now you have to simplify this further, so you can take minus x out. If you take minus x out, a square plus x square minus a square plus x square, we have minus, one second, let's take minus x out, so we get a square plus x square and minus a square plus x square, and if you take minus out, this becomes plus. Yes, this one becomes plus. So plus a square minus x square, right? You are taking minus x out, so you get a square plus x square. See, these two things is put together as 3 by 2. So 1 plus half into root a square minus x square. So our final answer would be, so you can cancel these two things, which is x square and minus x square get cancelled. So you get minus 2 a square x divided by a square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into root a square minus x square. Yes, so we have completed the first subdivision. Let's see the second subdivision. So given is y is equal to sine root x plus cos square root x. Now if you take this, so again you can consider this one as p, this one as q. So you know that power, base, then angle comes. Okay, so here we don't have anything for power, so this p differentiation would be, so let me write dy by dx is equal to dp by dx plus dq by dx. So now let's do it for p. P is equal to sine root x. So dp by dx would be, sine differentiation is cos root x, and this root x differentiation is what? So root of anything is 1 divided by 2 root of x, right? So that's it, over. Now let's do it for q. Q is cos square root x, right? So what is dq by dx? Now first we have power, so this power comes front, so 2 cos root x. Now you have to do for base. Base is cos x. Cos x differentiation minus sine root x. Now have you touched the angle? The angle is 1 divided by 2 root x. So now what you will get is, you have, see, 2 sine theta cos theta, you can write it as sine 2 theta. So you can see in the numerator you have 2 cos theta and sine theta. So we will take the minus out. Okay, minus out. So the entire thing would be sine 2 root x divided by 2 root x, right? So now you have to simply add dy by dx is equal to cos root x minus sine 2 root x divided by 2 root x. Yes. Now let us proceed to the next question, 13th one. So 13th one we have is sine ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d. Again power, base, angle. So you consider the numerator as u, the denominator as v. So u by v differentiation would be u dash v minus v dash u divided by v square. So what is u dash differentiation? U dash would be, sin x differentiation is cos ax plus b. Now you have to do the angle part as well, so it becomes a. What is v dash differentiation? It becomes minus sine cx plus d. See, cos differentiation is minus sine. So now what is the angle differentiation? It is simply c. So now you have to substitute back, simple. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to u dash differentiation cos ax plus b into a, and v is cos cx plus d, and minus of, you have a minus, so it becomes plus, minus of this minus becomes plus, sine cx plus d, and into c you have, so let me put it over here, and into u is sine ax plus b divided by, you have v square cos square cx plus d, right? I hope it's very clear, right? So moving to the second subdivision, that's the answer for the before one. So now you have second subdivision, that is sin x plus x square divided by cot 2x. So again you consider this one as u and this one as v. U dash differentiation is sin x differentiation cos x, and x square differentiation 2x. V dash differentiation, see, cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square 2x, and this 2x differentiation is 2. Right, now you have to substitute back in u by v formula. So u dash cos x plus 2x into v is cot 2x, minus of, again minus, minus of minus becomes plus, so 2 cos square 2x into, we have u as sin x plus x square, and divided by v. What is v? Cot square 2x. Yes. Now, if you want, you can further simplify it in a better way. So you can write, let us try to simplify this. It's cosecant, sorry, it's cosecant, right? So 2 cosecant square 2x into sin x plus x square divided by cot square 2x plus cos x plus 2x cot 2x divided by cot square 2x. You can cancel this, right? And cancel this one and the square, right? So that what you will get in the numerator. So, and moreover, this cot x can be written as cos square. So I can write this one as cos square 2x divided by sin square 2x, and these two can be cancelled out. So I can write 2 secant square 2x into sin x plus x square, and similarly here I can write it as, see, cot 2x, 1 divided by cot 2x is tan 2x into cos x plus 2x, right?